everyone, guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing some rice and peas. Peas is already washed, water is on the stove, so let's get right into it. Now we add our peas. Guys, please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. Now when I come back, my peas will be ready. Hey guys, welcome back. Now we're going to be testing our peas to see if it's ready. Yes, it is. Once you can smush it between your two fingers, it is ready to go. I add a teaspoon of salt and I also had some pimento seed. You can add ginger to it. I did not. Now I will be putting some thyme, hot pepper and scallion to my pot. Then I will be stirring everything in. Make sure all that flavor locked in and everything is good to go. This is the coconut milk I will be using. So now I'll be adding a cup of coconut milk. So now I'll be stirring everything together. Make sure you locked in all that flavor, all the coconut milk. This is the pimento seed on the floating on the top I was telling you about. It's optional. You don't have to put it in there if you don't want to. Now I'm going to leave it to simmer for some time. Now guys, this is the rice that I'm using and I will be using 2 cups. So now I'm going to be washing my rice. So now that my rice is finished washing, heading over to the pot now. And it's all ready. Coconut milk is well boiled in. So I'm adding my rice to my pot. All that niceness and the nice coconut flavor with the pimento seeds, scallion, thyme, hot pepper, and your salt and your butter. Some people put butter, some people don't. Now you make sure you stir the pot before you close it. When I come back, my rice and peas will be ready. Welcome back guys, it's all ready. All rice all ready, shelly and nice Jamaican rice and peas. Oh Lord, remind me so much of my mom. Guys, please remember to like, comment, and share. Live good, love God. All ingredients will be in the description box. And a sneak peek of what is coming up next. Bye bye.